How to install Laravel projects from GitHub. So you want to install some projects from GitHub, and mostly the developer should have provided the requirements and the installation setup there. But what app there did not provide the installation setup there, then how you can install this? So in this video I'm going to do exactly this, how you can install Laravel project from GitHub even if the developer haven't provide any information and installation setup there. So first of all, you will have to copy the URL from, you can copy it from here as well, and you can copy it from here. So copy the URL and go to your terminal or go to your CMD, and the command will be git clone, and then paste the link of the GitHub project. So I paste the link, and you make sure you have git install in your system. If I hit enter, this will start cloning the Laravel project from the GitHub. Now it is downloaded and the project is cloned. So now what we need to do is we need to go to the directory of the project. So the directory name will be the same as the project name on the GitHub. So if I type cd, then paste the directory name, then I'm inside the directory that I have cloned from this GitHub repo. So what's next we need to do? First we need to create an environment for a variable file. So we can do this by copying the environment variable example file then to example env file. So if you are on Windows, then you have to use copy, and if you are a Linux or Mac, then you have to use cp. So this will copy the env example file to env. So now we need to edit this environment variable file. So let's me use the nano editor here just for demonstration. And here you can change the app name. So let's change it to my SPA. This is related to single page application. So and then the URL, it can be localhost or 127.0.0.1 8004. Then here you have to choose the database and username and password. So make sure that the database name that you choose here exists in your server. So in my case, I have a database name Laravel, and my username is my name, and then my password is password. So this is what you need to do in the environment variable file. So then save this file and close it. What next we can do? We need to install the composer dependency. So we can do this by composer install command. So this will install all the dependencies that are required for this project. Now all the dependencies are installed. Jetstream, CL, Synctum, all the dependencies are installed. So let's clear the screen. Now we need to create a unique key for this app, so which will be stored in the environment variable file. So the command is php artisan key generate. Now application key is successfully created. Now we need to install the JavaScript dependencies, JavaScript libraries, node modules. So we can do this by npm install and npm run dev as well. So it will be npm run dev. This will install the JavaScript dependencies for this project. JavaScript dependencies are installed. You can see Laravel Max is built successfully, so we can clear the screen. Now we need to migrate the migration that we have in this project. So if you have set up the environment file, the database name, make sure you have that this database exists in your server. Then we can migrate the migrations using php artisan migrate command. And this will migrate all the migration. Then if this project has some pack data or seeds, then we can seed that as well using the command php artisan db seed command. So this will seed all the required things, and we can do this with migrate as well. Migrate push, then dash seed will do these things as at once. So this will take a little time. Now you can see they migrated the migrations as well as the seed database. So now what's next we need to do? We need to start the development server. So we can do this php artisan server. This will start the server, development server. So now we just need to visit this URL and we will be okay to get started with this project. So let's copy this and go to your browser. Now as you can see, this is install and works fine. So let's go to register file. We can register myself and let's register. Now we are inside. Never save. Let's add some records. So let's see what is it working or not. Tester and school is it should be email or save. Now as you can see what's working. So this is how we can install Laravel project for GitHub. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe